Okay guys, we are here inside the vehicle about the issue of the lighter loose. Okay. That's the problem of this lighter. It's moving every time you remove or insert my charger for dual charger for a 220 to 110 and the 2A USB port. So just to finish this issue for today, that's a good example. See how it works. It's tight, this area, okay, this hole to insert this my portable lighter charger, the two combination of 220 to 110 and 2A USB port. So it's not that the issue is this only a problem, this part. So the best solution for this in my experience and knowledge, okay, we try to fix, okay, by using option 2. Okay, so we need to finish that now. Okay, so we try to do this remedy to how to fit or fix this. Okay, the surrounding area. Okay, so and I hope it works or not. So let's try this solution. Okay, it's quick to dry, it's easy to use. Just penetrate this hole. Okay, make sure not messy like this. Okay, before it's going dry. Okay, messy. Okay, let's try now. Push back. Okay, so wait until dry. Okay, but the worst of this is if winter and cold season, all this glue is pop up. So there's no assurance 100% in 1 year not pop up this whole thing. Okay, the surrounding of this, but now it's warm weather in this season until summer and fall. I think it works a couple of months only. So if you put charger there, any charger collector like this, make sure don't remove always. Okay, if you put this your charger here in the hole, not pop up this because this is tight. So we fix this, only a temporary solution for now, because This is only I can do for now. Knowledge and experience how to fit and tight the other parts of the vehicle. There are lots of some issues in the vehicle to how to fix easily and quickly. So for now, we focus in here. Okay, focus in here. They will apply for sure. Okay, same thing. No need a fancy looks. Okay, the important we fix it. Okay, that's the most important is to fix it. The problem, like a problem in their life, in our life, need a solution. Okay, so melting, hot. Okay, see, started messy. So if you can notice this, you can unplug so become cold. Okay, so that's it for now. For basic knowledge and ideas coming from me in this YouTube channel. So we wait until a couple of minutes until we dry in 1 hour for sure. So if you put another new charger there, make sure don't remove twice or thrice because this is only a temporary solution. Okay, especially in cold winter. If too much cold, 100% this or 80 to 90% pump up because it's cold. It's the sticky glue is become it's useless. So for now it's good. It's become a different season. A little bit cold by windy and cold at night and in the morning, but in the afternoon start 10 to 5 it's too hot. Okay, so no problem. So twice only use it to remove this lighter or any charger. Okay, so for now, if you like this video, and please subscribe and click the notification bell for new videos uploaded. Okay, this is amazing tips from Canada Saskatchewan. Again, see you again. Hopefully you like it. See you guys.